So for this base 5 addition, we have 1,203 plus 1,442, and we're going to draw that as a picture visualization. So for the first number, we have 125 block, we have 25 blocks, we have 5 blocks, and we have 3 unit blocks. For the second number, we have 125 block, we have 25 blocks, we have 5 blocks, and we have 2 unit blocks. So for the first addition, we're going to do 3 plus 2, which we can see here in the visualization is 3 unit blocks plus these 2 unit blocks, and that equals 5. So we're going to want to regroup these into a 5 block. And then we're going to write that over here in the algorithm as we've regrouped once, and there are 0 remaining unit blocks, so we're going to put a 0 there. And now we're going to redraw the blocks that we have now. Okay, so for the next step, we're going to look at here, and we see that we have in the algorithm 4 plus 1 is 5. So we can also look to our visualization and see that 4 plus 1 is 5. So we're going to want to regroup these 5 blocks and make a 25 block. So now we can see that we have 125 block, so we've regrouped once, and we have 0 remaining 5 blocks, so we're going to want to put a 0 here. And for the next step, we're going to look at our 25 blocks. So we can see that in the algorithm that we have 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we're going to redraw our picture over here with the blocks that we have now. And we're going to notice that we have 7 25 blocks over here. So we're going to want to regroup 5 of them. And we're going to make a 125 block out of this regroup. But now we can see that we've regrouped once, so we're going to put a 1 over here, but we still have 2 remaining 25 blocks. So we're going to put a 2 here. Now we're going to redraw what we have. And we're going to add this up. So in the algorithm, we can see that 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And we notice here that we have 1, 2, 3, 125 blocks. So we put a 3 here. And now when we're looking back to connect the picture to the final answer, we notice that we have 0 unit blocks, so that's why we have a 0 there. We have 5 blocks, so that's why we have a 0 here. We have 25 blocks, so that's why we have a 2 here. And we have 125 blocks. So that's why we have a 3 here. So our final answer is 3,200, and we can see that with the picture visualization here.